y'all, I got a request to show the Blue Hoover Elite. Well, a guy wanted to see an Elite Supreme, but I don't have one of those. I mean, one could say this is an Elite Supreme, but it doesn't say Supreme on it anywhere. Like we can see Hoover down there. And Hoover Elite up here, no Supreme, but that's beside the point. Most of these have the same motor anyway. But yeah, I just hope this fan doesn't self-destruct because others have done it. Here we go. Make sure, yeah, there's a bag in it. I'm low on bags, big time. Here we go. It's not the longest video I've ever made. I mean, I guess we could come over here and clean up my little mess. It's not going to be too bad. I know I said nothing get picked up, but this has got to be picked up anyway. I've actually got to clean this entire area up, and I've also got to move my cord. Yeah, these Elites, they're pretty basic. They don't have the fancy long cord like most machines nowadays. No, these things, they have the old school short cord. But people managed for years without any like 45-foot cord like most vacuums nowadays have. Because we got a lot of stuff under here. I know I'm just stuffing this under the table, but I've got to clean up a lot anyway. Yeah, I pack cigarettes, so what? YouTube is gonna have to deal with me being a smoker as long as I don't do too much on film. Okay, let's bring this up here. I'm pretty sure that's the right height. Let's see. vacuum smells a bit, but it's probably just because I don't really use these a whole lot, because their fans, despite being preventable apparently by greasing the motor up a little bit, I've always had at least one Elite per batch blow a fan up. I don't know if it's just my bad luck or something, but I almost always have these things blow up fans. Like the Decade Soften Light, it blew its own fan right in half. I mean, I don't know. I guess it's just a fault with these particular units. I mean, the C1414 I had, well, both of them never had that issue. I guess their fans are made of tougher stuff, or it's just because it was newer. I don't know. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll keep y'all up to date with new videos, and as long as requests are doable, I'll do them. So tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content, because I'm probably going to do something for us if we reach 1,500. So, yeah, with that all said, if you want to support the channel, you can click the super thanks button and send a super comment. You can do the same thing in live chats, because there's supers. You can become a channel member, or outside of YouTube, you can go to my Patreon. There will be a card somewhere on the video, in the video, and you can go there. You can go to coffee and buy vacuum cleaners. You can even direct donate. And with Patreon, of course, we know the purpose of that is videos I can't really put on YouTube, because YouTube has a language problem still, apparently. So until next time, bye y'all.